Like right there. Well, welcome everybody to J&K Stay in Vegas. Tonight we are at the Olive Garden.
We're at the Olive Garden.
Yeah, we're at the
Strip.
Olive Garden on the Las Vegas Strip, and that's okay because it is a very unique Olive Garden.
Yes,
On
absolutely.
a third floor overlooking the Las Vegas Strip. So we had to come down here and check it out for ourselves.
Yes.
And see what it's all about.
Very different.
Yep.
Very, very different. Not your neighborhood Olive Garden.
Not your suburbia Olive Garden.
Nope.
So let's get on in there and let's see what this new Olive Garden on the Las Vegas Strip has in store for us. All right, let's go. Sat down here at Olive Garden. You got to get breadsticks.
What do you do?
So we already ordered breadsticks, and they were so nice. They said, "Hey."
Well, they brought a spinach dip to our table and said, "Oh, here's your spinach dip." We didn't order it. So then they, okay, different table.
Here's our spinach dip.
And she said, "Oh, well, they made an extra one. So would you like it?"
And
Why not?
And your boy here got the marinara to go with the breadsticks. Well, Christina, I think you should try that spinach dip there.
I'm going to. So much cheese.
Like right there. Quit playing with your food. Just eat your food. Eat it.
It is very spinachy. There's other places that aren't as spinachy, but theirs is. And lots of cheese.
So guys, this Olive Garden is located on the third floor. It is right in between the Target and Burlington Coat Factory. So we're actually sitting on top of Target right now.
Right.
On the strip.
We're on top of Target. I'm going to do some shopping later.
Yeah, it's an Olive Garden, and the prices are just a little bit higher, about $3 to $4 a plate.
It's very pretty. And like you said, strip of the view. View of the strip.
That thing.
Strip of the view. Figure that one out. Yeah, so it's very different. That's how we decided to come here today. Opened, I believe, 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago? Yeah, I think I saw it. It's August 30th. So you definitely got to come and check it out, because if you want that comfort food that you know what you're used to having, they got the same menu. A lot of the same things that you can order, just a little bit more expensive, but that's kind of expected. You're on the strip.
Yeah, I mean, it could be worse.
Yeah, it could be a lot worse.
It could be a lot worse. And it's Olive Garden.
I think we're going to order a drink. I think I'm going to order like a drink.
Oh, then maybe I will.
Okay. All right. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So we usually don't get drinks, but hey, when in Rome. See what
I'm Roman.
We're in Rome.
I know, so
little Italian pun there. But hey, got the Italian rum punch. So it has the Bacardi, silver rum, amaretto, strawberry, passion fruit. And what did you get, babe?
I got a straight up berry sangria.
Berry sangria? Mm-hmm. Well, let's cheers to that, huh? And look right behind there. They've got automatic shades, so sun was blaring in, and now it's kind of going down, so they're raising them back up. So we can start getting a nighttime view of the strip. Again, you're up here on the third floor, right above the Target, that newer Target that's here on the Las Vegas Strip.
You'll have to come check this out. By the time we're done, you'll say, okay, it's Olive Garden, but let's go.
Also, guys, they have these really cool living art walls that are... They're just video. They're not actually live of Italy, but it'll change with our time here in Vegas.
So according, like we're in daylight, but then as the sun starts kind of setting, it gets a little bit darker. Then those become the same time. So you feel like you're dining with people outside. It's very interesting in here.
They recorded this footage in Italy for 24 hours straight, so that they could have this entire footage for the whole day and the whole night, and changes with the Vegas weather.
I know people say, why do they go to Olive Garden? Because it's not the same.
No.
It's on the Strip.
No.
It's totally different.
It's an Olive Garden with a view, and we had to share it with you.
Anybody knows when you're at Olive Garden, you have to have their salad. And while I'm having salad, I'm still noshing on these wonderful pita bread from earlier.
Guys, of course, when you come to Olive Garden, you gotta have the pasta fagioli. It's a prerequisite when you come to Olive Garden, right?
Absolutely.
So good.
And the most important part
Yes.
is that you have to top it with lots of cheese.
Yes, you gotta top it with lots of cheese.
Lots of cheese. The grilled salmon
Okay.
with broccoli,
Yep.
and then I just ordered a side of angel hair pasta, just because.
Just because.
Yeah, I was gonna put the salmon on it, so just to kind of add it in there. So yeah, that's what I ordered. Nothing fancy, but their grilled salmon is actually very, very good here.
All right, guys. So I got the tour of Italy. It usually comes with lasagna, chicken parm, and fettuccine alfredo. This is not fettuccine alfredo. So I got 2 chicken parmesan and lasagna.
But that's good to take home.
That's right.
Good leftover.
A little take home is never a bad thing.
No.
I think I'm gonna get into this right now. I think I should just try it. I already know what it tastes like because I've ordered this before, but
I know, and you know the chicken is always really moist.
yeah.
That's the best thing.
Magnifique.
Everybody, I am full. And we didn't finish all of our food, which is normal because we just take it home. But we were going to order dessert. I can only take a bite of chocolate. That's it. I cannot eat any more food. Just this little tiny chocolate. Dessert.
There you go. I think it's time to go.
It's time to go. I'm done with dessert. Bye.
Olive Garden, brand new on the Las Vegas Strip. We are stuffed. We had an awesome waitress, Sandy. They really want everybody to come down here. They even have a private room in the back for private conferences or completely drawn off. So it's very unique to this property. And if you got a little conference or you got a little pre-wedding thing,
I was gonna say,
you can have that done there.
Exactly.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, we're gonna get on out of here. Gotta check it out. If you're in town here, come to the Olive Garden, get some food that you're used to, but at the same time,
the biggest thing is it's very different.
Yeah.
It's not your ordinary corner, Olive Garden that we always go to as well.
Yeah.
It's very different in here.
And it's really, really nice surroundings, awesome staff. You gotta come down here and check it out.
Yes. Everybody here is fantastic.
Yeah. And if you like this video, everybody, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas. And turn on those ding ding notifications. And you can be alerted to every time we post a new video just like this or go live. Until the next one, J&K Stay in Vegas. We'll see you.
Stay safe.
Oh yeah. Stay safe.
And stay silly.
Bye-bye, everybody.